The Rural Technology Action Group, RUTAG, is an initiative of the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India since 2004. RUTAG, supported by the Office of the PSA, was conceptualized as a mechanism to provide a higher level of S&T intervention and support for rural areas. Under this initiative, the interventions are designed to be primarily demand-driven, focusing on bridging technology gaps at the grassroots level, upgrading technology, and providing training and demonstrations through innovative projects.
Bidri ware, the craftsmanship unique to Bidar in Karnataka, is made from a special clay sand drawn from the Bidar fort, from where it gets its name. After the Archaeological Survey of India recently declared the Bidar fort a heritage site. The prohibition on procuring sand from Bidar area matters, because the artisans have long held that this clay sand is what gives the Bidri metal its distinct black-silver color. This Bidri metal is nothing but a zinc-copper alloy containing some percentage of zinc, copper, lead and tin. This would mean the entire community of artisans dependent on Bidri crafting as a trade would vanish. So after an NGO, Sahyog, approached IIT Madras Rural Technology Action Group, RUTAG, with the problem, a research has been to reproduce a type of sand which when treated with the alloy can produce the same color. While the traditional belief is that the fort area has a special sand exclusive to the community in Bidar, we got down to understanding what the special component in this sand is. It has been found to be a nitrogenous compound. The traditional craftsmanship style involves the alloy being treated in the clay sand along with ammonium chloride, after which the surface is coated with black patina to get the black silver sheen. In order to develop a substitute chemical for this sand, we have used the mixture of ammonium chloride and potassium nitrate in 100 milliliters of deionized water that renders black patina on the surface similar to the one seen using Bidri sand. As a part of dissemination of the project, technology demonstrations were given to 40 Bidri ware artisans on the 9th of January, 2018 in collaboration with Office of Development Commissioner Handicrafts and Sahyog NGO and received positive feedback from they. This technology enables the preservation of monuments of archaeological value, and the costing depends on the quantity of chemicals used. This has been done by the joint efforts of Professor Lakshman Neelakantan and Professor Manas Mukherjee from Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Madras.